Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and this time we're demonstrating a radio, an 8-track radio that's going into a 79 Pontiac Trans Am. This comes from my friends at Destiny Automotive in Palmetto, Florida. Thank you, Destiny, for your business from all the way across the country pretty much. And the unit they originally sent me was actually a Delco lookalike made by either AudioVox or IDI or one of those companies, and the tuner was just completely shot. You just could not work the tuner anymore, so I went ahead and lined them up an actual Delco radio that should fit in that car because the shaft spacing and everything is the same dimension. So at any rate, this customer has requested the internal conversion with a new harness for greatly increased output power, also the HD radio function, Bluetooth, and USB. And so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader controls. So let's turn it on.
To Aaron,
AM.
who's become a good friend. I really like Aaron, respect him.
Okay.
Former Marine, but
virtual front rear fader.
he just conducted himself
Fader adjust.
Okay.
in all of this.
Front,
And I am
Rear,
disgusted about
front,
how he's been treated
rear.
by the
center,
law enforcement,
Little time
quite
out.
frankly,
Fader set.
Okay.
by
Left,
the Pentagon.
left, right balance.
Kind of went out of their way to
Balance adjust.
Okay.
legitimately.
Fully left.
A lawsuit
Right.
has been filed. I think it's a $30 million lawsuit, wrongful
Right.
death.
Okay, center him.
And he's got, it's right here. This,
Balance
Balance
set.
it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth
but the
goes in the pairing
government
mode.
being the government being,
Bluetooth ready to pair.
So you heard that. Let's make sure the
and
USB plays
they're
my
playing
radio
games with the
commercial off a
venue and where it's
USB
going to
stick.
be tried and all that kind of
Got
stuff. Trying to get in front of a
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Okay,
Tom
pull that
Zinn
out.
from
Radio comes
Judicial
back.
Watch when I
Okay,
come
let's
back.
move over to FM, and I have all 5 stations set to a station to my ear for a quick test.
series of weekly emails.
KVRD 105.7.
Okay, so there's our FM. Let's try the 8-track.
Chugging down the track. Hush, hush, bye, hush, hush. Take it to the blues. Am I really standing here? Hush, hush, bye. Honey, you're the answer to my prayer.
Okay, hit the eject button. Tape comes out. Radio comes back. Okay, and let's make sure the dial-light comes on. You might be able to see it. You can just see it peeking through that hole right there where it's flashing on and off in response to my pressing and releasing the buttons. So she's all ready to go. I'm ready to do some packing and maybe do another couple videos. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order. That's what it's designed for, and it'll answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out. And then once you've done that, you're welcome to call me for like a last-minute question. But as long as it's not like a 15-minute call asking me the same questions over and over and over. So that's what the work order is for. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at Destiny Automotive for your business all the way from Palmetto, Florida. And we'll see you guys next time.